Show day. Most show days begin very early in the morning. Some even day trips. You'll want to get up bright and early, get your animals loaded, and get them to the show barn so you can begin the day's process. The state shows are several days, so you will need to be prepared to not only pack your animals up, but also pack your belongings for a week's stay. Once you get to the show, you will want to start making the beds. So this is a process where you make the bed so that the animals stay clean and ready for the show when you take them into the ring. But that's what you're supposed to be doing. The next step is to take them to the wash rack and get them all cleaned and washed so that when you take them to those fresh bedding that you've just done, then they will already be ready for the show to begin. Now that you've got your animal washed and you get them back to the shavings, you'll need to make sure that you blow their hair out nice and dry. When you start fitting an animal for the show that day, you will want the hair completely dry so that the glue and the other products that you put in the hair will stick and you will have a clean animal for the show. Now, sometimes it's time for the animals to rest, but other times it's time to get those babies up and get them in the show ring. So you will need to get them in a show stand and get them fitted. Some shows are show and blows, so that means you just go show a nice clean animal, no fitting needed. Other shows, like the state show, is a fitting show, so you will need to take your time and make sure your animal is presented the best way he or she can be presented for the judges. Once your baby is all freshened up and ready to go into the ring, now it's time to begin. So walking into the show ring, as we've stated earlier in this training, you will have your animal ready and trained. You'll have them trained to walk in, you'll have them trained to set up, and you'll have them ready for the show to be presented to the judge. And on a very good day, when you've done all the steps that it has taken, maybe you'll get in front of the blue carpet, or on the blue carpet in front of the blue ribbon, and get your name up in lights.